Hey everyone, my name is Riley and this video is a complete Invideo tutorial for beginners. I will show you how you can use the Invideo software to create incredible AI videos, including done for you scripts, AI voice narration, and all of the video clips added for you. To get started with Invideo for free, I will leave my affiliate link in the description of this video. So scroll down and click on that link. It will be this link right here, geforcenorth/recommends/Invideo. And that is going to take us over to this screen right here. Once we are here, we then have a few different options of whether we want to sign up with Google, Apple, or you can enter your email address. And I'm going to sign up with Google. And once you do that, we can then enter your name and create a workspace name. So I'm just going to call this GeForce North and then click on continue. We can then choose how you discovered Invideo, so we enter that right there. How do you want to use this? These questions don't really matter, like this is not going to affect your Invideo experience. So you can just select one of those and then click on continue. And we are now going to be taken into Invideo AI. On this screen, this is now where we can enter in a prompt that we are going to give Invideo AI to create our AI video. Now, we want to make this as detailed as possible, and you really want to think about the video that you would like to create, and that is what we want to enter in for the prompt. So the first thing that I'm going to say is create me a 5-minute YouTube video showing the top 5 most incredible and shocking facts about space. So if we wanted to, we really could just leave this prompt right here and we could generate a video from this. However, with a prompt this short, I think we would have to do quite a bit of editing and tweaking once we actually have this video. So we want to make the prompt a little bit longer. So I said, create me a 5-minute YouTube video showing the top 5 most incredible and shocking facts about space. Make space-related jokes throughout the video and use a powerful voice to narrate this. Now, we could just go in and we could generate a video right here. But I like to add a little extra step, and it really increases the quality of the videos that we get. Because what I like to do is I like to go to ChatGPT, and this is a completely free AI tool that you can get access to. And what I will do is I will copy this, so the prompt I just entered, and I will paste this in and then put speech marks here and here. And then I'm going to say to ChatGPT, make this a better prompt for an AI that is going to create me a YouTube video. So it's taking the basic prompt that we created and it's going to give us a more improved and detailed prompt for this AI. So we have that right there. And then ChatGPT is going to give us an objective. It's then going to give us details and tell us how long each section should be to get to this 5-minute video. And then all we have to do is copy and paste this right here. And then we can paste that into Invideo. Now, this extra step definitely is not necessary. Invideo can create fantastic videos just with that basic prompt that I gave it at first, but ChatGPT just goes into more detail, and I have found better results with this. So once we have that in, we can then go through and click on generate a video. And just like that, Invideo is now going to work its magic and create an AI voice narrated video for us. After a few seconds, it is going to ask us some additional questions. So the main audience that we are going after, I would say instead of space enthusiasts, this is going to be for curious minds, just random people on YouTube, rather than people who are specifically interested in science. So I'm going to choose this, then look and feel. Epic fits this pretty well. And then we can choose the platform of whether we want to go for YouTube, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. Once we have that set up, we can click on continue. And then once again, the AI is going to process and it's going to create this video for us. Just like that, we now have this video created. And let's go ahead and give this a watch and see how this looks.
Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel where we explore the most mind-blowing aspects of our universe. Trust me, when it comes to space, the wow factor is off the charts. Get ready to have your mind blown wide open because we're about to explore the top 5 shocking space facts that will change the way you view the cosmos forever.
So that is pretty incredible, right? And this is just the base template that Invideo has given us. However, we can now go in and we can start making our own changes to this. There are 2 ways to make changes to the video. The first is we can do this manually in the edit settings. And the second thing is we can go down here and we can give it commands. click on generate, and then it's going to edit the video with the commands that we give it. So first of all, let's go into edit and see what we can do manually. And the first thing that we can do is we can edit media. So this video is essentially comprised of all of these different chapters, they call them. So right now we are on chapter 1, and we can see the video that is behind chapter 1. We can see the video that is behind chapter 2 and chapter 3. And when we click on this, if we look at the script beneath, it's actually going to show us what is said throughout this chapter. As this video is created with AI, with some videos that you create, this might not be absolutely perfect. Like, you might watch this and you might find that some of the clips behind don't really match what it is saying. So what we can do is, let's say we want to change this clip right here, the clip that is shown when the narrator says this, then all we have to do is select the chapter that you want to change the media of. So we select this one right here, and then we have two different options. We can either upload media and upload our own videos, or alternatively, we can go to this search bar and we can search for what we are looking for. So I could go in here, and as an example, we can just search for space. We can then choose if we want to include premium images, and the premium ones are going to show up like this with the crown next to it. And then these ones are going to be free. So we have stock images, and then we have free images. I will get into when we can use stock images and when we can use free images when we get into the pricing. But for now, I'm just going to select this premium image, apply changes, and it's going to go ahead and swap out the initial media clip for the media clip that I selected. So that is how we can edit media. Then we can go over and we can also edit the script if you want to edit the script at any time. So if I watch the video and there's a certain section I don't really like or I want to change, I just go to edit script, and then I can click into the section that I want to change, and then I can start typing things out. So I would type that out right there, then click on apply changes, and then the narrator is actually going to narrate over the words that you just put in. So that is how we can change the script right there. And then the final thing that we might want to do in this section, I'll just discard these changes, is we can edit the music. So we can go down here and we can listen to all of this music in the music library. And then all we would do if we want to add music to each of these chapters is we just select the music we want to add, click on replace, and then apply. And that is going to apply that track to that chapter. We can also search through if you are searching for specific music, and we can see they are tagged into all of these different categories. So if I want to look for classical music specifically, I can type in like classic or classical, and as you can see, I'm going to get all of these classical pieces of music. So that is how we can make these manual changes. But then a very cool feature and something I really like about Invideo is we can go down here and we can add some commands. So maybe I want to change the voice behind it. So I could go down here and I could say, make the narrator a 30-year-old woman. So I could enter that in right there and then click on generate. And it's going to swap the AI voice out, and it's now going to give me the voice of a 30-year-old woman. So that is updated right there. And once again, let's give this a listen to see how this has changed.
Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel where we explore the most mind-blowing aspects of our universe.
We can also do other things in here, so it's going to give us some prompt suggestions, like make this chapter half as long, it's too wordy. We just click on generate, and then it's going to shorten down this first chapter, because this is the chapter that I have selected. And just like that, it's going to be done. So as you can see, the video changed, this first chapter is now shorter, and we have that set up right there. Now, once you have created your video, we can then go ahead and download this. So we click on download right here, and then these are the download settings. So if we want to get rid of the watermarks, as you can see, all of these different background videos are going to have these watermarks. So this one says story blocks, this one says iStock, because this is where they are getting those videos from. So if we click on download, we do have to upgrade if we want no watermarks. The video is also going to have AI branding if you don't have one of these paid plans. So we could just set it to this if we don't want to pay, but it's not ideal to have a watermark or in-video branding. We can then select the resolution that we want to download this video in. And then if you don't have any of these, so if we don't have to upgrade, you can just click on continue, and that video is now going to download. And just like that, I now have this video. If you do want to remove the watermarks and get the full Invideo experience, then these are the pricing plans right here. So we have Plus and we have Max. Interestingly enough, I actually recommend the Max because it actually works out cheaper. So look at this. If I turn this up to 200 video minutes per month, so 200 and 200, I get the exact same things in here, apart from I can get 8 voice clones instead of 5 voice clones. And I can also add more users. But specifically when we are looking at minutes, Max is a lot cheaper, right? And if we turn this up further to, let's say, 400 video minutes, and we do the same for this, the Max is almost half the price. So this is definitely the best value. So you can select your plan right here, you can go through and purchase, and then any videos that you create, you will be able to download without the watermark. So that is my Invideo tutorial. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to smash that like button and tap that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy.